Outstanding. Thanks, John. Folks, there's been a number of questions. I've been trying to answer them in the chat session. Everything from when does the class start, which is January 23rd, and I put a link in there in the chat about the January 23rd RAC class to be taught by John. That is a 5-day class, I believe. So that link is there. If you want to register for that class, you can do so online, or you can call Gary, 1-800. I put the number in the chat. So hopefully you guys are all picking up some stuff from the chat, or you can email Gary. Gary is just simply gary@skillbuilders.com. We had, yes, you'll get a recording of this session. It'll be made available. We've had some questions on our Apex hosting. The developer package, which is intended for a developer, starts at $50 per month. Yes, we do back that up. The production package, which offers full volume encryption and some other beautiful things, starts at $500 per month, but that gives you 3 environments and 3 separate databases. Okay, I had one question on, okay, I'll send you the link for the recording. I had one question on Alato. Alato is SkillBuilder's lightweight administration tool for the Oracle database, and that is free for Oracle XE. And you can find that at skillbuilders.com/Alato. Okay. So any other questions that they had? Any other questions, folks? And I mentioned to the person who inquired, yes, we could have you onboarded today if you wanted to try our Apex hosting service. Okay. Yep, John is available for consulting, including urgent requests. So if you have a system down, a major problem, even without a support contract, we can make John available to you. Tuning, John has some assistance. Times it's me, times it's Mick or Bob. But if you have an urgent problem, contact Gary. Again, it's Gary@skillbuilders.com, and the number is 888-803-5607. And yes, we can support you for urgent support requests. Okay. Okay, one more time. Yes, you can have, you'll be getting a link to the recordings for today's class. You bet. No problem. Great. Okay. Thank you all very much, folks.